In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a transfer on Wise quickly and easily. Cancelling a transfer on Wise is possible, but there are a few important details to keep in mind depending on the status of your transfer. Let's walk through these steps to ensure you've got a clear understanding of what to do. First things first, you'll want to log into your Wise account. You can do this either through the app on your mobile device or directly on the website from your computer. Make sure you're able to access your account since all subsequent steps will require you to be logged in. Once inside your account, you'll need to navigate to either the Home or Activity section. Here, you'll see a list of your transactions where you can pinpoint the transfer that's currently showing as pending or processing. Once you've located the transaction in question, click to open the details page. You should see a cancel transfer option accessible if your transfer is still in a pending or processing state. If you haven't paid yet for the transfer, you can go ahead and select the option labelled I didn't pay and simply confirm your choice. This will halt the transfer immediately without any further obligations on your part. On the other hand, if the payment has already been processed, you will need to click on the option I paid. Once selected, a prompt will ask you to enter your bank details to confirm where the refund should be sent. After entering the necessary information accurately, proceed to finalize the cancellation. In scenarios where the funds are already being processed or possibly have been sent but not yet completed, the window may instruct you to contact Wise support. It's important to know that while you can still stop the payout, immediate action is needed to alert their support team to intervene on time. If, unfortunately, the transfer has already been completed, you've passed the point of no return in the cancellation process. At this stage, it would be best to reach out directly to the recipient and request a refund. Alternatively, you might need to wait to see if there is any snag at the bank level which might cause a rejection. By following these steps, you can maneuver through the Wise platform and manage your transfers efficiently. Always ensure to take prompt action if you suspect any need to cancel. Keeping this guide in mind will help you address concerns with ease and go through the proper channels efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful and informative.